I just finished printing this airless basketball out of Protopasta PLA. While removing those supports, I decided to retriever test the TPU ball, and it actually held up surprisingly well, and Albus enjoyed it. Now, I'm going to heat treat it to see if it'll make it stronger to survive a bounce test. Oven is set to 225, and in she goes. After about 10 minutes, that process is complete, but we did give it a little bit of a flat spot. Regardless, I'm ready to give this thing a shot and see how it turned out. All right, so here goes. Oh, that was a good one. It still kind of works. I give it one good last go. So it wasn't completely a waste. I'm not 100% sure if it was the deformities of the heat treat or I bounced it too hard or what, but either way, it was a fun project, and make sure to follow for more.